A lot of people want to know the differences of swing trading versus day trading. You might have questions like which one is more profitable, or do the same swing trading strategies apply to day trading or vice versa? Or maybe you want to know what are the specific characteristics of day trading versus those of swing trading. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding of the similarities and differences between them, as well as my recommendation on which style is more profitable, especially for new traders. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, and make sure to subscribe for more stock market tutorials. Let's start by broadly defining each term. Swing trading is a speculative trading strategy in financial markets where a tradable asset is held for one or more days in an effort to profit from price changes or swings. Typically, swing traders hold their positions anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Now, day trading also is a speculative trading strategy, but the difference is traders buy and sell a financial instrument within the same trading day so that all of their positions are closed before the market closes. So day traders do not hold positions overnight. Their positions are all cashed out by the end of their trading day. Now you might be wondering which style is better for you and which could be more profitable. Well, if you are a beginner, which I would classify as just you've traded for less than a full year consistently, then there are some pretty good reasons to start with swing trading and then maybe move over to day trading after you have a bit of experience. This is what I did, and it helped me lose at least less money when I first started trading than I think I would have if I went right into day trading and was doing like these high pressure, high intensity sales every day. Swing trading is kind of a good stepping stone, if you will, into day trading if that's where you ultimately want to go. Obviously, do what's right for you, but here are some of my thoughts on the matter based off of my own experience. So if you are the type of person who typically doesn't love to make split, snap-second decisions, then swing trading might be a little bit easier for you to start. This is because one massive advantage that swing trading provides is the luxury of time. You don't necessarily have to jump into trades in the heat of the moment. When we're talking about swing trading strategies, they're typically things that take a bit of time to develop, and we're looking at multiple indicators for confirmation of a trend. We may be watching a specific stock for a few days or even sometimes a week or two, waiting for that perfect entry point. Now, in comparison, a day trader must make their decision to enter or not enter a trade within literally a matter of seconds. When we're looking at day trading strategies, we're oftentimes looking for very small but rapid movements in stock prices. They have an extremely small window of time to enter the day trade profitably, and therefore, like I said, literally every second counts. So another big difference of swing trading versus day trading is the actual time of day that's required to do each. If you're a day trader or you want to become a day trader, typically Monday to Friday, 8 a.m., you're at your desk, you're going over the news, whatever happened last night, you're looking at the pre-market, looking for stocks that got a lot of volume before the market opens. You're creating a watch list, you're setting key points and key levels that you're looking at. So you're really glued to your desk from at least 8 a.m., probably more like 7:30 a.m. Eastern, just getting ready for the trading day. I think it's kind of a myth that day traders just wake up, any time of day, hop into the market and do a couple trades and make $1,000 and call it a day. Really, you have to prepare for every single trading day. When I day trade, the night before I'm setting targets. In the morning, I'm looking at the pre-market. So it's really a lot of preparation before the actual market even opens. And typically, once the market does open, you trade for about 2 hours until the volume starts to die down. If you have a full-time job, or even if you just like to sleep in, then this might sound a little bit unattractive to you. Now let's compare this with swing trading based on my own experience, because I swing trade full time. I typically always have at least a couple positions open in the market. So I do look at the market every single day, but it's not really a constant thing that I need to do at a specific time. If I do have positions open, I'll usually have stop losses put in place on them. If you don't know what a stop loss is, that's just a maximum loss that you set beforehand on a stock, meaning if the stock goes to this price, it will automatically sell your position so that you don't take further losses. So even if you're not at your computer, you have it set in place that if some disaster happens or it goes to your max loss, whatever reason you have for that, you don't have to worry because you will automatically be closed out of your position. And on the other hand, I also have sell limit orders in place, which are essentially the reverse. Limit sell orders are something that you can also put in place so that if a stock rises to your target price, it will automatically sell that and give you the profits. So let's say, for example, Tesla's at 826 right now. If I were to buy in and my target price was 840, I could actually have a limit sell order put in place at 840 so that if Tesla hits that, even if I'm not staring at my computer screen, it will still sell the order and I will get the profits from that. Now with day trading, you're typically going to be watching your trades the entire time since you're holding them for such a small time period. Now let's talk about profitability, okay, which can actually make you more money. Obviously, it's going to depend on a couple of things like your level of experience, how much time you're willing to dedicate to trading, and definitely how much money you have to actually invest and trade with. Typically with swing trading, it's best to have at least $1,000 to start. You're likely not going to turn that $1,000 into $1 million realistically, but at least you can start getting your feet wet, I guess, and start trading on a first-hand basis and getting a sort of feel for the market. This is great because you're not risking too much money while you're still learning to develop your own trading style. With day trading in the United States, there's something called the pattern day trader rule, and that says that if you want to day trade consistently, you have to have at least $25,000 in your account at all times. If you have less than that, you can still buy and sell, so you can do a day trade, but you're limited to maximum of 3 trades per week. If you do any more than those 3 day trades in a week, your account will actually be frozen. This sometimes can actually lead to a situation of an inexperienced trader not keeping track of their PDT limit and entering a trade where they're then unable to exit and close the position because they would be violating the PDT rule. Not somewhere you want to be. So if you're trading with a small account, I really think it's just a little bit easier in the beginning to do swing trades where you hold positions from a day to a couple of days or a week, and then close your position so that you're not violating the PDT rule. I hope this video cleared some things up for you. If you have any specific questions on day trading or swing trading, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. You can also feel free to reach out to me on Instagram and send me a DM message with any questions you have if you don't want to post them publicly. I'll put a link to my IG below as well. And check out the new Facebook group that's launching next week. We already have over 500 member requests to join. So once that's launched, there's going to be a lot of awesome content that I'm only going to release on there. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like on this video and a comment. It really, really helps the channel so that I can keep making these videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.